time for a coffee talk with Juliet. Let's break down those basic terms when it comes to real estate. Do you know what an earnest money deposit is? Or do you know what a rate is? Or let's talk about something a little bit extra like closing costs. I'm gonna break down the information for you and what you need to know for your real estate knowledge. First word we got here is EMD. What is an EMD? Earnest money deposit. That is actually what you put down to represent a buyer's good faith in the home. So you're showing the seller, yes, I want this home and I'm gonna put this EMD down. It might be $2,000. Next word, seller subsidies. Seller subsidy is what the seller is willing to give to you as a credit towards your home. Next word, and the last word, most important word, down payment. Down payment is how much you're willing to put down to go along with your offer. Is it 3%, 5%, 7%, or maybe 20% conventional loan to save you on that PMI? What is PMI? Private mortgage insurance, but that's for next time. Have a fantastic day.